Okay, yeah, my season is just about over. Y'all know I love the summer season, summer and spring, of course, but a lot of the fall items inside the store. So let's check out my wish list for fall. Yes, y'all know I've been waiting on this Cocoa Shea collection, and y'all know I'm a huge fan of the body butter as well as their oils. I love Bath and Body Works oils. So I will be getting the Cocoa Shea, the oil, as well as the body butter. And I also will be getting the water body butter and maybe the lotion, the hydrating lotion. I'm not for sure if I want to get the lotions in either one of these collections, but I might. You never know. So that's everything that I'm going to get in this Cocoa Shea release. I love this release. Now, let's move on to some of the other body care. I think I'm going to grab another Together Weather because I do really like this scent. So I will be grabbing this one as well. And y'all know I love aromatherapy. And some of these items I don't have. So I will be grabbing some of these items. Y'all know I already got the Rose and Magnolia, as well as the Patchouli and Chamomile, I believe that's what it is. So I do have those two items. I do love them. And I noticed I've been getting a lot of the body mist. So I love this essential oil in the mist form. So I most definitely will be grabbing some of that stuff for backups. Love aromatherapy. Even though I really don't care for a lot of the Halloween stuff, I will be grabbing this Everlasting Magic as well as this Spell Binding Sweets. I will be grabbing that one, and the Wicked Vanilla Woods. Those are the items that I will be grabbing on that's going to be on my wish list. I really don't need a lot of this Halloween stuff because, again, like I said, it will be around for semi-annual. It will. Y'all know I love this Moonlit Graveyard. This scent is so good, but I will be getting it in the wallflower form. Chasing Fireflies. Yes, I just about want everything in this collection because I absolutely love this scent. This scent is so amazing. And if you haven't smelled it yet, it kind of sort of smelled like Fairy Tale a little bit, but more on the floral side. Endless Sea, because I only have one candle, I will be grabbing some more of this one as well as the Wild Sand because I only have one. And y'all know with body care candles, when they're gone, they're gone. So I need to grab one of each of those. So that's the reason why that's on my wish list. I have not burned those candles yet at all. So I'll be grabbing more of that. Love this. So yes, this is on my wish list as well. I most definitely love this scent. That what is it, Midnight Cocktail, as well as this Whiskey Reserve. Love those scents. I only have one, so I most definitely have to grab another one. Those scents are so good. If you like that evening type of vibe, you will love this, as well as masculine scents. You will love those. This is my favorite. Even though a lot of y'all is not riding with this salted amber candle, love it. I have not tried this one, Cool Mountain Rain. I haven't tried this candle yet. I don't own it, so that's the reason why this is on my wish list. This Blueberry Pumpkin Patch candle, I do have one of them, and I know a lot of people been talking about it, so I'm gonna grab another one. Why not? Patchouli and Rosewood. This candle is so good. So I'm gonna grab more while it's out. I do have a couple of single wicks, but I'm just gonna grab more. Now this Fall Forest I don't have, so I will be grabbing that one. And I know there's plenty of more candles that's gonna come out, but this is what's on my list as of now. Midnight Cocktail Wallflower is amazing, and it is a powerhouse in the diffuser. So I will be grabbing more of this because I love the scent. I know a lot of people love Cozy Cashmere, but it's just okay for me. I have never tried it in the Wallflower, so that's the reason why it's on my list. Maybe I'll like it more inside of my diffuser. So I will be grabbing maybe 2 of this one. I don't know. Who knows? Sunrise Woods. I have this already in the Wallflower, so I'm gonna grab a few more. I do have it in body care, and I do really like the scent. So I was excited to see this scent back. So it is on my wish list. Prickly Pear Sangria is really nice. I do have it in a candle form, and I do have an older candle as well. I think when it first came out, but I do like this scent, so I'm gonna make sure I grab a few in the Wallflower. The next one is Chasing Fireflies. Y'all already know. I love this scent, and I'm gonna try to get it in everything because I love it. Vanilla Plus Musk. I need this. I need it. I don't own any Wallflower in this scent. I do have the candles, but I want to make sure I get it in the Wallflower form just for my diffuser. Also, the candle holder. Single wick candle holder. I told y'all in one of my other videos that I'm still on the fence about this. I love the way it looks, so I'm just adding it to the list. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it. So that's everything that's on my list. Leave in the comments what's on your list. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. Shout out to all my MVP riders, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.